Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. Today, I am doing a collab with Kim at Winsley's World. We'll leave a link below. Kim is a riot. She is fun and funny and just a lot of fun. You'll like her channel. She has beautiful dolls, too. In December, I had done with Beth Ramsden a 5 days of Christmas, and one of the things we did was one crochet hook, 2 knitting needles. At that point, I had never knitted before in my life. So it took me 2 tries to make a scarf, a simple doll scarf for my dolls. Kim left in my comments that she would like to get better at crocheting. We decided we should do a collab where we make an outfit for a doll that is something crocheted and something knitted. I thought maybe I'd be better at knitting by then, but no, not really. I was going to make a headband, a knitted headband for my doll. And it started off well, kind of, because the truth is I restarted the headband, oh gosh, 4 times. I'd get like 2-3 rows. It's like, no, that's not going to change yarns. And that's how fat it got on me. And I thought, no, this just isn't going to work. I like this yarn though. It's really nice to work with. It turns out that I believe, too heavy-handed to knit. I crochet pretty tight. I knit to the point of I can't get the needle up between the stitch and the other needle. So I really fought it, but I am pleased with how everything turned out. Here is my mini-me, which I call kind of me because, well, I kind of looked like that when I was younger. She's kicked off her shoes, she has her a ball of yarn, and she is knitting. Let me show you her outfit. The top is knitted. Well, it's half knitted. Well, more than half knitted. I finished the back in crochet because I could not get the knitting needles in anymore. And as you can see, it's kind of not as knitted as knotted. I think I not knit. Oops. This is closed. That could have used another snap there. It's closed with 2 snaps. It's just a wraparound. So is the skirt, which is, they usually lay flatter than that, which also just has a little snap. And I crochet these all the time. I really like these. They're so easy. They take me like 20 minutes. I need to clip that a little shorter. 20 minutes or less. I just do a chain, measure it around the doll's waist, do a single stitch, and then I chain 3 and put a chain in every other stitch, and then I increase a bit every now and again into the circle. And I think they're cute on the dolls, on the little Blythe dolls. Luckily, I used a Blythe doll, who, as I always say, you can put a burlap bag on a Blythe and it's still cute. And so this is my little attempt. And I'm betting Kim did better than I did, but she may not have had as much fun and cussing as I might have had.
My ears are still burning.
Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please go by and look at Kim's knitting and crochet collab today too. I know I'm looking very forward to seeing what Kim has made. Like I said, she's always so fun and funny. It's always a pleasure to watch her videos. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to both of us.